Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au. I've had a few questions from a few of you guys asking me to do an update on the binary option robot and actually do a few more trades than the handful I've done in other videos. So this is actually my first time using Google Hangouts, so this is a bit of a test run. I'd like to do another video with and schedule this for a future time so we can actually have guys join and we can ask questions and any questions you might have. So I'll just log into my account in the binary option robot software. Okay. Alright, so we're logged in. Okay, so you might have noticed that StockPair no longer accepts US traders. If you're an existing US trader, you can still use StockPair, just new traders. There is a new broker called Set Option which accepts US traders. So if you're from the US, join via Set Option. Otherwise, you can join via Set Option, Top Option, Option Web, and StockPair. So, alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the classic trading system, expiry times of 15 minutes. If you upload, I haven't updated the latest software, but the latest software you can actually have $12 as a minimum trade. Going to do one simultaneous trades max. I'm only going to trade the Euro USD and indicators MACD and RSI only. Okay, so I'll click the button and now we're auto trading. So it's waiting for a signal to go in. Actually, not sure if this pair is actually, well, I might just check them all. And we'll do 3 simultaneous trades just to get this going for this test of the Hangout. Okay, so one's gone in, Euro Japan. Another one's gone in, Euro USD. My third one's gone in. Okay, so we've got 15 minutes before these are a success or not. So I'm trading this 11 AM in the morning Australian Eastern Standard Time, which is not the best time to actually trade in the market. The best time I have on my website, you'll see on the home page, if you scroll down, you'll see the best times to trade certain periods and also certain currencies. This is just purely to test one, Google Hangouts, which I'm going to use further so we can start interacting with you guys. or fourth one again. Actually, didn't realise so we've got 4 trades going. So I can interact with you guys, and also just to do another update on stock pair. I want to put in 10 trades, so I might actually up this to 5. So this video will be about half an hour. So 5th one's gone in. Okay, so you can actually see your current positions here. You click any of these, it will then update the main screen with how it's going. So 3 are out, 2 are in. I think you really need to play around with this particular software till you get a particular set of settings that you're happy with, where you can just sort of sit back and let it run. So you might want to deposit maybe $200 just to initially trial it, and you might lose all that 200 just messing around with different settings and different trading system and expiries. But if you find out a little trend that you can get as a sort of a sequence of wins, and you're happy with the return, then I'd probably suggest in a second deposit, you probably up your balance and let it run, basically maybe for 2 hours on a good trading period where there's lots of volatility, and see how you go. So you got to remember, this is purely based on an algorithm. So and an algorithm would just be basically a set of rules based on the MACD indicator, and in this particular one also the relative strength index before it fires a trade. And so you can see this about halfway at the moment. So let's have a look, see how far out. Here we're right on the border, so it's not too bad. Fairly comfortable there. Bit off there. That one's pretty much on the border as well. Pretty comfortable with that trade there. So obviously, if some of these currencies are in quite a flat period or a really low volume period, you're probably best to stay away. And only trade pairs that have a lot of volatility, and then let the indicators work for you. That's probably what I can suggest the best. So you've got to be a bit smart about it. You just can't put all these settings on and think, oh, I'm going to make money. You still have to actually have a bit of intelligence behind the settings that you're using, and in the periods that you're using, and let the system work for you. Not just think it's a magic robot where you press one button and then it just starts making money. You do still have to have a bit of user interaction where you're actually telling it what you want it to do. I think that's probably the biggest misconception, I think, from guys are thinking when they come across the binary option robot, is that you just basically put in your money, press one button, and then that's it. You should expect to make profit at the end of the day. You're still probably going to have to sit here, especially in your early sort of introduction to how to use the software, and see what works best. So you can see here, like the pound USD is just really flat trend, and so about 11 minutes to go. So we're looking at either 2 out of 5 or 3 out of 5 at the moment. So it's still quite close on the Euro USD, the AU USD. So we're going to lose that one. And the pounds could also possibly lose. I've been promising all week to actually use this software in a better market. Just been busy at the moment. Haven't been able to trade this in a better period. Let's see how we go. Oh, there we are. Just testing this Hangout. Right. If you are closed. Okay, one left to go. Yep. 2 have been winners. So 2 out of the 5 have won. Alright, gonna stop this broadcast here, but you can see here 2 out of the 5 won, this particular one. Which is not too bad. I probably should turn off a few of those currencies because in a real flat period at the moment. Should decrease my chances to win. Okay, so this is my first binary option robot Hangout. And so just fired in a new trade there. And okay, until next time.